nigo yalikirie amachibu amabe. Litko lelero nigo abamura ba Mathare baye kongonta etimu ya Shabana imegeti Chigosori N'Abanyangongo egoleyemo aseligena lisagairo. Abo asomwegerero munene bw'etimu ya Shabana Peter Okidi aichanira amachibu ayo nakoli eira yogochia konyora obobwi asegosori yabo eikigati ekero bayaligania etimu ya AFC Leopards imegeti Chigosori N'Abanyangongo Stadium. Mulikito Pedro Bachini na mange.
Etimu ya Shabana nigo yagenria kurika amachiwa amabe yemaiga yogo ikorwa ne timu ya Mathare United egore ya masiriga na desagero megeti Chigosori Stadium. Ukwana maiga yengo yeyo niko mwegerebwe timu ya Mathare United anyakabaga kokera obobuyo bwigana goteba nigara chikubeko mokia kwenekia etimu ya NH kunyakabaga ko bwabo tambe.
I'm happy because getting 3 points away from home, and I think it's a good feeling because last season we corrected 4 points from Shabana. This season we've already corrected 3 points, and I think also it gives us time to start planning because our next game we're facing Gor Mahia, so it gives us a little bit space for us to breathe. But of course in the first half we dominated because it was a game of two halves. The first half we dominated the game. We got a solitary goal, which I think we were working yesterday with the strikers. I'm happy for them. Then the second half, of course, you expected Shabana will come direct, and that is exactly what they've done. You could see even the centre back have moved to the striking, to attack, and I think with the direct ball, I think we are in a position to handle the threat, and I think kudos to the character of the team because it's needed character.
Asinse mayae umwegerebwe timu ya Shabana Peter Okidi nigo aereida okogechwo kwae Chigosori echiga anyakabaga ko bugwa asebono anyakabaga ko teba nigabe gitomokia gochkwene kinga egosori egatie timu ya AFC Leopards ne timu ya Shabana ikigadi chikuria Jumatano na chikonya kabaga konyo robobwi.
First of all, we thank God. I think we'll always keep on thanking God. It's a second game loss at home. It's very painful. Very painful, I think, to us because target zetu kidogo the season tulisema hataki kupoteza points hapa. As much as the league is still bado ni changa, but ni game ambayo tuko tunatarajia kupoteza. Considering the way to make concede na the way to make create chances, I think naweza sema kidogo pia sometimes football is not fair. We will win that game. That's the only results we have. Yeah, we will definitely win that game.
Before me.
Asibuigo anyakabaga kwandra abagosori ababwati chingoma namba chikoba tayari eri wacha kosori aguchakiri chikiri ya Jumatano.
Yeah, I think that is a report from the medical department, but the likes of Michira, Dizo, some like Michira 3 games should be back. Dizo, I think our next game after FC Leopards should be back. Imbali anytime soon, maybe even the game of FC Leopard will be back. So for us, we just need to focus in the next game. We have dropped points. We need to go back and recollect ourselves very fast.
Na machibu atarikogokia egere timu ya Mathare United anyakabage kujikura timu ya Shabana asegeti Chigosori. Bona kurengana n'umugerwe timu ya Shabana Peter Okidi anyakabaga kwera nigara chikubeka omokia egera chikubweke minano ke igadi chikuria Jumatano ekero arachikuyerigania timu ya AFC Leopards. Kotpotiria Enso ko Chigosori kurasegeti N'Abanyangongo Chepethuel Machin.